Every real world application that you see today, be it a banking app or an e-commerce platform or some fintech systems, they all have one thing in common: security. Imagine you're building a Spring Boot application with perfectly written APIs and a clean architecture. But anyone can access your APIs, anyone can read or modify your data, and anyone can act as any user. That is not a bug, that is a missing security layer. And this is exactly where Spring Security comes in. It is not just about login and logout, it is a powerful security framework that handles authentication, authorization. It gives your application protection against common attacks, and most importantly, you would have a complete control over who can access what and when. For example, you could configure that an admin should be able to add or delete users, whereas a normal user should only read the data, and a privileged user might be able to both write as well as read data, and an unauthenticated user should not be able to access anything at all. So Spring Security decides all of this at runtime. So you understand that Spring Security is one of the most important topics in industry, but it is also one of the most confusing topics from developers' point of view. That's why I've decided to create a complete playlist on Spring Security 6. It's gonna be a complete course where each video flows into the next one. In the playlist, I'll cover Spring Security from the basics to advanced level. We'll see how Spring Security works internally, authentication versus authorization, role-based and permission-based access, CSRF, JWT Authentication, the basics of OAuth 2, how to secure your REST APIs, and we'll create a real-world project-level security design, and much more. I'll start the course in the first week of January 2026. If you want to truly understand Spring Security, not just use it, truly understand it, then please stay tuned. And once the playlist starts, make sure you follow it till the end, because every video will continue from the previous one. Okay, so subscribe my channel, The Curious Coder, turn on your notifications, and get ready for one of the most important playlists on this channel.